Do you like the green stuff?
Hmm?
Do you like the green stuff? The tabbouleh? What about the tomato? Not bad.
No.
You try.
Okay.
All right, so good morning, everyone, and good morning from Haifa. I said it right.
Yes, you did.
Not Haifa, Haifa. And welcome back to our video on Israel. First of all, if you can see up here, this is what we're going to have to contend with all day, because it's a city of stairs as it's built on the slope of Mount Carmel.
And another set. Okay, so we made it to the gardens. If you do come to visit, just know that they're only open certain hours, so check that. And the gardens themselves are free. It's a free walking tour, and I think you might even be able to get a guide for part of it. So, oh my God, they're just gorgeous. Oh my God, look at you two. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, everyone, so a few hours later, and we have made our way through the gardens and through the German colony, which is at the base of the gardens. Tons of restaurants there that you can eat at, and we decided to keep going. So we're in an area called Bat Galim, and it's by the seaside, and we're looking for cable cars, which I think I see right now, and they're going to take us to the top of the mountain to the monastery, and hopefully we can get some lunch and get a good view of the sunset. Not quite Tel Aviv, no, but pretty nonetheless.
This is old school.
Oh,
It literally stops.
All right, so good morning, everybody, once again. So we continue the journey in North Israel,
Yesterday we came into another small city slash town called Akko. So I think in Hebrew it's A-K-K-O. We've seen it A-C-C-O. I think the English version is A-C-R-E. So if you're going to do your own research, you'll probably see those three spellings. I think the city itself has about 50,000, 55,000 people, a combination of Jewish and Arab populations. But once you get to the Old City, which is what we're going to tour today, it is mostly Arab. So today we've got a few things. We're going to try and find the Old City and the, what is it, honey? The Knights Tunnel? Yep. So there's a Knights Tunnel, there's an underground tunnel, there's some pretty cool stuff, along with the really pretty port. Can we use the Turkish bath?
No. It's a museum. You see two movies about it.
Okay.
And we have also the
Oh, beautiful. Okay. These must have been very short people. We have all this great food around us, and we're having peanut butter and banana sandwiches. At least it's in a pita. And by the way, that coffee cost, I think it was 14 or 15 shekels, which is
$8? No, $6.
yeah, for coffee. Very expensive in Israel. Okay, bud. What's next on the Akko Acre tour?
We gotta go out and then down the street.
To
Mosque, synagogue, tunnel.
and port. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl.
Holy, we pray also up. The reason he gave me for that, I'm Muslim.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
If you have a few minutes are interesting to know more, I can explain it in the end. And we are continue for Wishman, we can marry for woman at the same time.
So,
That's given back to the locals.
exactly. I mean, we ended up having to pay the gentleman some money, but that's okay.
I'm totally
I don't
okay with
mind.
it.
It's super cool. Oh my gosh, look what's coming. They said it's certainly a maze in the Old City. Oh.
The guy's way down there going, what are you doing?
Okay. Lost on a list of things to see. Templar Tunnel. What? Ah! Oh my god. Hilarious. Those little monks were short. End in the day in Akko with a cute little boat ride for 15 shekels a piece. And then you'll see the walled city from the water.